This old flag's seen a lot of acres, but way more wind. It's time to replace her. She's pretty frayed. Fly proud.
What day is it? 49?
49.
All right. It's day 49 here in Jordan, Montana. We're cutting lentils behind me. Got the combines right there.
Lentils from the field, directly from the field.
So in stores, do you think they're bigger in stores?
No, they look just like that. How would they be bigger?
I don't know. You know, because it looked like in the bag when I looked it up on at Walmart that they looked bigger on the picture. So I don't know.
Much better day for the lentil cutting. It's cooler. The wind is not blowing nearly as bad as it was yesterday. And I'm on outside of the combine for once. Yeah, they're really flying right now. Today we got started on lentils. So it's a new crop, a new set of concerns, a new settings. Everything's new and different. But I'm gonna guess by the end of the day, we should have things pretty well figured out. So Jim's in the beast right now trying to get the settings and stuff set so that it's as clean as he wants it to be. I guess there's a weed out here that's dealing fits for both machines because it's seed wants to stay in the bin rather than going out the back. What are you looking for? Just how it's cleaning?
Yes.
Oh. Get it cleaned out of their bin, get the settings where they needs to be, so there's not a whole slug of those little tiny seeds in there. I'm guessing what Jim's concerned about are all those teeny tiny little black seeds. This weed must really have them scratching their heads. Well, what are we doing? You just dumping?
Yeah, what I cut down here is plumb respectable. So I'm going to cut back and forth going up to the poles. They're going to go look at other fields and try to make a management decision. The stuff that's up the hill that's got all that seedy shit in it, Rod says we can't clean it.
Too much.
Yeah, but this stuff down here, like I said, I'm getting by with it.
Well, I guess we'll see what the next plan of attack is. It's all hands on deck again, getting the red machine back in the field. I don't know if it's anything different than what they thought, but Rod thought he had a bearing out on the MacDon head. So that's what it looks like they're working on. Well, now I have an issue. Only half of the cutter bar is working, so I'm guessing that broke. So what's happening here is the weeds out there are still gooey enough that they're causing a buildup on the sections here, which in turn made it break. So I'm trying to clean these sections off so that we can put a splice back where it broke and hopefully not have to repair or replace, an entire sickle bar, cutter bar. So that's my job, is to get this dried gook off of the sickles. And Jim's gonna work on the splice. Jim and I really hope that you enjoyed today's daily update. If you did, why don't you give it a thumbs up for us? We'd like to know that. And be sure to hit the subscription button and the bell notification so that you know when the next video is up and ready to watch. Thank you, and we're so glad you're along with us for the journey.